I really feel like those could probably give you diaper booty. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time viewing one of my videos, my name is Elle Morgan and I create content to help better your lives in some ways. So if you're interested in seeing what all that's about, then make sure you guys subscribe to my channel and click that notification bell. Become a BFF, because by the end of this video you'll see I'll be your best friend in your head and you got to keep up with your BFF, so just go ahead and do it. Thanks. For today's video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys some tips on how to make your booty look bigger in your clothes. So if you're interested in learning more about that, then keep watching. My first tip is to make sure you highlight your waist, and a good way to do this is by adding a belt, which is pretty simple, right? But make sure you adding a belt that's going to coordinate with your overall look and make it make sense with whatever you're wearing and what you got going on. Also, finding bottoms that naturally fit snug at your waist is a great way to highlight that area. If your bottoms are already fitting snug at your waist, then you don't necessarily have to wear a belt. In that case, just depends on how you feel about it, but those are two ways that I personally like to make my butt look bigger in my clothes. Even though I do already have like a bigger butt, I like to accent it that way. My next tip is to use a waist trainer. Now this one just seems kind of like duh, but I just wanted to throw it in there anyway, just in case someone may not have thought about this. But so this is kind of the same idea as for highlighting your waist. If you're wearing that waist trainer, it's going to suck you in and then naturally go ahead and give you kind of like an hourglass figure and make your butt look even bigger than what it probably is. Another tip is to highlight that booty, girl. Look for stitching and lines and patterns that kind of accent your butt, and I'm going to have examples right here so you can see what I'm talking about. And if you have a TikTok, then you probably already seen these, but those scrunch leggings has kind of been everywhere like last year and this year. Those also make your butt look big as well. So if you're into that style, I definitely would say grab you a pair of two, girl, because that's definitely going to give you a little more junk in your trunk right there. Tip is padded panties. Now I didn't think of this one on my own. I found this through my research, and yeah, I'm like, well, I think I may have seen these like a couple years ago when I would go in the hair store and stuff, but I don't recall seeing these lately. But if you decide to go this route, I would use something that maybe is not heavily padded so it doesn't look like you got like a diaper booty, because that's what would be my concern. I would get something that just has like a little bit of cushion in there just to help round you out. I wouldn't get anything extreme that looks obviously fake. You know, that would be my only drawback for that. But if you want to try it out, you know, no judgment here, you know, but I would definitely proceed with caution with that, because I really feel like those could probably give you diaper booty. My last two tips help with creating volume back there for your junk in the trunk. And the first one is to get jeans or pants that have smaller pockets. This is going to give the illusion that you have a bigger butt. And also going for things that are like fully pleated or will also give you a lot of fullness back there. So for example, using for example, like those kind of like the old school cheerleading skirts that's fully pleated around, or like the skirts, if you remember Clueless, Sharon, oh, I can't think of her name, Sharon Dion used to wear all the time, like those little schoolgirl type of skirts. Those are going to give you more fullness, so again, in turn, make it look like you have like a bigger butt. So that's something you can definitely get. That's actually on trend right now, so you should be able to find that at like Forever 21 or something like that. But definitely check those out. So that's all I have for today's video. I hope that was helpful for you guys. If you would like a part 2 on this, then please leave a comment down below and I will do some more research and bring it back to you guys. And don't forget to check all my social media networks down below, as well as shop at my store 107inlux.com. And as always, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.